As expected, that cold front quickly fizzled out with most of the rain falling at the foothills of Table Mountain. Kirstenbosch receiving 45 millimeters up until Thursday morning, compared to only 5 millimeters that fell in the mother city. A little bit more rain in parts of the Winelands with 15 in Paarl. We do have another weakish cold front nearing South Africa on Friday. So here's the forecast. Between the cold fronts, we are expecting a fresh west-southwesterly wind to pick up along the coast of the Eastern Cape and later KwaZulu-Natal. We can also see these green dots being picked up here in parts of the Highveld, so it's going to be windy at times. And then later, a fresh southerly wind also picking up in parts of KwaZulu-Natal and the Lowveld behind the first cold front. The second one only sliding south of South Africa, bringing moderate westerly winds for the southern coastline. But we are still expecting high seas along the coast of the western and spreading along the southern coastline throughout Friday, with wave heights of more than 5 meters, and the South African Weather Service has issued a yellow level 2 warning, so please just be cautious. We also still have an onshore flow between the two cold fronts, so there's a 30% chance of a few light showers falling over the extreme southwestern regions, only a 10% chance of late drizzle for the southern coastline, as well as the northern regions of KwaZulu-Natal. And in those regions, you'll have a poor PV harvest due to the cloud hanging over the western, the southern Cape and the coastal regions, but an average PV harvest over the central regions of South Africa due to sunny skies. Lots of fog on Friday morning for the west coast, as well as the adjacent interior in parts of the Swartland and the Boerlands. It's cloudy in Cape Town, quite chilly with a few light showers likely, but only most of the rain falling over the mountainous regions. Temperatures will only peak at about 20 and below 20 degrees over parts of the Western Cape, Southern Cape and the Eastern Cape now, with that westerly breeze blowing. It will feel chilly at times with only 20 in Bishu and that southwester blowing fresh along the coast between East London, Port St. John's, and then later also that southwester picking up along the coast of KwaZulu-Natal. It's sunny at first, but then later that onshore flow will bring in some cloud for the coastal regions and the northern parts, where at Ulundi some light drizzle is possible on Friday nights. It's a sunny day for Mpumalanga, but as we've seen, the wind will pick up at times, blowing moderate to fresh and becoming hot in the Lowveld with maximum temperatures peaking at 30 degrees. And then by Friday evening, a southerly wind also picking up in the Lowveld. A sunny day for the Bushveld as well as northwest with maximum temperatures above 20 degrees. In the Northern Cape, it's still quite cold over the southwestern regions with some cloud hanging around and foggy patches. 1 in the morning in Sutherland, some light frost likely in the region, especially the valleys, and then only peaking at 13 degrees, 17 in Carnarvon and 20 for Prescott. After a cold morning for the Free State, we are expecting a comfortable autumn stay with maximum temperatures around 20 degrees. Same for Gauteng, it's a little bit warmer over the northern regions with 24 in Pretoria, cold at first in Vereeniging, later southerly breeze picking up with a high of 22 as well as in Johannesburg. And then this weekend, you can look forward to sunny and lovely conditions across South Africa, except for some cloud hanging over the extreme southwestern regions and foggy patches along the west coast. And a sunny Sunday for the country with maximum temperatures peaking in the lower to mid 20s. Well, that's all from me. Have a lovely Friday.